Wait until you see all these hidden features. This is the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy, so it's the most bougiest one. It's got the most bells, whistles, gadgets, features, trinkets, whatnots, and gizmos. All that kind of stuff. You're gonna love it. The color is Rockwood Green, and this is one of the most eye-catching, attention-grabbing, first impression-making colors that Hyundai makes right now. And it's also a good lesson to know that not every highest trim level, like the Calligraphy, is gonna have the most luxurious colors, the most elegant shades. No, it can be sporty, it can be cool, and it can also be tough. And today my video host is Johnson Hyundai of Apex. You would not even believe how many hundreds of vehicles they have on their lot. We'll just scroll around right here. So many vehicles, they have an overflow lot. They have so many of them. Go to johnsonhyundaiofapex.com. Let's get a first look at the interior, and then right after that, I got the first hidden trick. That one will be on the outside, but right now, look at all the screens, storage. I see displays, charging. There's a lot going on. And of course, we're gonna have 3 rows of seats. This particular one has captain seats, and I've got it kind of configured with 1 seat up in the back and 1 not. Is that multiple moonroofs? The first trick is gonna involve how to get up here, because I'm not the tallest dude in the world. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. Well, I can't get up here to load my coolers and my camping equipment. No, but watch this. This hidden panel right here, push this in, and then you could actually grab onto the handle and pull yourself up. I've done it before on Santa Fe. I just can't figure out what the mechanism is. It looks like it's still locked. So if anybody knows the rule for unlocking it, that'd be great. I found the trick on this hidden panel right here. It's right there. Watch this. We're gonna pop this open, hidden key, put it in the slot here. And then once I turn it, see, now it's locked, turn it counterclockwise, and now it goes up, so I can just do that. I figured something new today. Holla! How about a relaxation seat? Did you know that you could just push this button right here? Let's see what happens. Are we gonna get comfy? Whoa, okay. I'm reclining. And this is coming up. And now this is a great time to rest at a rest area or at a restaurant while you're eating outside in your car. That kind of a stuff, or maybe you're waiting to pick up your kids in carpool. Just sit back and chill. We're gonna talk about the Hyundai Pay service next. This is really cool because this button is for Hyundai Pay. You set it up with your Blue Link account, and then it can pay for fueling or charging, and it can reserve a parking spot for you. Isn't that amazing? By the way, how about these matching 12.3-inch screens? That is super cool. So much screenage. You won't even know what to look at first. Let's look at the double charging feature. This is really cool, this bilateral system, because you could put things here, you could put things here, and I'm gonna show you the trick on this one soon. We can store lots of things, whoops, down underneath here. We got a 12-volt circular. That's sometimes handy. Not everybody has a 12-volt circular item anymore, but big, big tumblers. Our Stanleys are going in there. Bam, bam, our Yetis, they're ready to roll. Double charging though. That's cool. See that? Just go back and forth. Lots of connectivity we'll find. How about in the second row? Sunshades. Waka, waka, waka. That's great. You can put things, maybe small cups in the doors. Rear heated seats with 3 different adjustment settings. This is soft touch right here. Bottle openings right there. We've got places to hook activity bags. You can put maybe your iPad in there if you're not using it. A lot of different features, conveniences, amenities. We can plug in right there, plug in right here. That's excellent. But what about this center console? Well, this has a couple different uses. Look at this. Oh, wow. You can get into it from this side. That's fantastic. Excellent. You can also open it from this side. Isn't that cool? But what about if I want to do this? Oh, we got a huge bin. I like that bin. Where you been? What if we want to get to this third row? I mean, it has 3 rows. They're very spacious. We could also use this as a walkway, but you can also go ahead and maybe push this. Or I could use the power seats in the back. Or I could use this if I wanted to. Whoa, hello. I'm telling you, the Santa Fe has a lot of bougie, convenient features to move it this way. Whoa, slide. And then you can jump on into this third row here. I've got one seat up. If you notice, it's got the child latches right there. It's got hooks, rear air USBs, and it's got, ooh, connectivity. I see the vents. There's a lot to love about this one. Nice big window, super cool, super versatile. And on this side, USB-C's, rear air as well. And we see the child latches. Let's go ahead and put that one back. Backup camera right here. Then we can use this huge area as an awning so you can actually party down. What? Do the sprinkler if it's raining. We don't care. We can use the sprinkler even in the rain. And then see there's 12-volt circular here. Top tethers right there. I'm trying to do all this. And then we can drop these second row seats. I'm going to push this so you can see what happens. Look at that. We just push those. Now, I'm not sure if they stop if I've got the seats too far forward, but we'll be able to figure that out. Okay. That is neat. Talk about convenient. That's great. And then I can put this one down as well. And look, we've got a nice flat surface, very square, very tall, very wide. There's a lot you can do in this back area, and I love this big awning to protect you from the rain. And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Since we're talking hidden features, let's go ahead and see what's here. Oh, okay. Jack equipment and then more storage. So that could fit a small duffel bag, let's say, if you needed the extra room. Like that. Yeah, this is nice in the front. We got soft touch panels right here. Great wide place to rest your arm if you want to. The seats go up and down. About medium speed, I'd say. Not like lightning quick, but fast enough. It's got good bolstering here. Actually, that's quite supportive. Pretty nice right there. Remember, we can open it this way. Huge cup openings. And then all of these controls. This is how this opens right here like that. And it's an extra hidden shelf. You can put thing from the Addams Family. But we're not done yet. No, because I can go ahead and push this button right here. Oh, now we've got more storage. Holla, that is great. Now on this section right here, if I push this, it's just the leg extender. Very nice. And I've got 4-way lumbar support, so that way this roller can go up and down, and it can go out. Probably see that. And in. So you can get the chair exactly right. And this is the relaxation seat right here. There's so much information to get off of these screens here, but there's also something that you can get off of this screen, the head-up display. It shows you exactly what the speed limit is, what you're going for your speed right now. And it also tells you like adaptive cruise and lane centering and things like that. You can push, get back in there, some of these controls so that we can have a lot of information. We just got to know where to look for it. Like that. Just keep scrolling through. You can put favorites. We've got the paddle shifters right here. Of course, when you see paddle shifters and it's a hybrid, that would be for regenerative braking. Now, something else that's hidden is the shifter itself. That's over here. Isn't that cool? So you park and then you twist it. See if we can get over this way. Twist it for drive. Twist it for reverse. I'm going to put it in P for park. Now watch. Hidden cameras right here and here, because when we turn on the turn signal, it tells us if anything is in our way for turning. So I just think that's just such great. Don't forget this is lane or driver attention alert. But yeah, it's so great because you get the cameras and they show you exactly where you are. Now this is different temperatures right here. I got this. We can probably take that off. I don't want to do that though right now. And then you could take this one off too, but it's dual temperature controls. Pretty darn cool stuff. It's got the engine start and stop, the auto brake hold so that you can go ahead and hold yourself in place so you can stretch out your leg a little bit at a traffic light for a little bit. We got cameras right here and then lots of hidden views. You just got to know where to look for them. See? All that stuff that we can find. And then remember, if you want to know more about really anything on the car, just start poking around. Like I always go to setup and then vehicle, because there'll be a lot of different things that you can push here. Vehicle. Oh, driver assistance. What do I want to know about it? Well, I want to know about the driving safety. You can have the features on or off. What about ambient lighting? Let's know where to look. So we're going to go to setup and find vehicle. And then we're going to go to lights right here. And then we'll go to ambient lighting right here. So we just want to click on ambient lighting. Brightness, we want it bright. What about the color though? We can go ahead and change the mood lighting throughout the car to maybe blue or any color on this wheel. Looks like maybe 64 colors or so. I mean, that seems like a 64 color wheel. So I would want it to be like maybe right here. I think that'd be cool. Have a nice purple color. Purple rain, purple rain. Digital rear view mirror. Look at this. We can see all these Hyundai. What? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now, what about these moonroofs here? We got to go ahead and we can open that, shade, and then we can go ahead and open this. Isn't that neat? So light goes all the way to the third row. And look at the visibility. Isn't that fantastic? Wow, that is really, really cool. Nice. It also has upgraded Bose speakers. And look at my ambient lighting. It's going strong. Going strong. But what about if I want blue? Will it change? Make that change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Very cool. Is this feature hidden? The power comes from a 2.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an 8-speed wet dual clutch automatic transmission. This one also comes with the optional loose leaf package. Now, this is one you can decorate it anywhere. I chose to put it over here, but that's an extra $75. You might choose the loose leaf package. MPG facts, it's going to be 20 in the city, 29 on the highway, 24 combined, and you'll find the fuel door right over here. On the driver's side. These black wheels right here are not hidden, but they're so cool. We've got to show them off. They're 21 inch. They're matte, but they do have a metallic, like a shiny accent piece to them. I just think that's really cool. We've got backup sensors. I wanted to show you where that is right there. The H. Lots of H's around this one here. Interesting. We got cameras hidden here for the panoramic camera. A cutout right here that's sort of hidden, and there's the blind spot monitor. That's what it looks like up top. And then upper, middle, and lower grille. We also have hidden functional aerodynamic airflow through there. How do you like the Santa Fe? Thanks for watching, everybody. Give us your comments about the Santa Fe. Hope you love it. Let me know what you think. And remember to go to Johnson Hyundai of Apex. Go to johnsonhyundaiofapex.com. They have a lot of inventory. You're going to love it. I'm at Auto Jeff Reviews, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Threads. And if you want more Hyundai content, be sure to click on that Hyundai playlist. I've got playlists broken down by brand. So happy watching. I'm glad you're here.